Hey guys, you might be wondering, why is there fire behind me? Is my house on fire? No. Why do I see a line right there? Well, guess what? Yeah, it's Gears of War time! That's what it is! It's Gears of War! We're gonna play Gears of War once again, part 3, killing all the locusts, shredding them up, killing them. We're gonna kill all the locust grubs, and we're gonna beat the entire game. So yeah, hope you enjoy, like and subscribe, and let's get on to it. Okay, so if you remember from part 3, I got to save Cole, and now we are moving on to kill more locusts, and this time I got the hammer down with me. So yeah, let's kill some locusts with Cole, with our new team. Die! 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 Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where are the locusts? Hold on. What is that? Oh, it's a little spider. It's a spider. It's a big old spider. Oh, I was about to use hammer down on myself. Die, you stupid spider! Die! Oh no, wait, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No, don't kill me. I don't want to die. Come on! Come on! Kill that spider! Yeah! No! Oh my god, I just died. The locust killed me. No! I hate you all. I hate you, locust. Yeah! I hate all the locusts. I will exterminate them all. Yeah! 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 Die, you stupid locust. Die. I'm gonna come in there. No. Uh-oh. Come on. Yeah! Oh my god, spider! Spider's back. The spider's back. Die, spider! Whoa! Die in the hands of me. That's Marcus Phoenix. Alright, hide again, hide. Him? Oh, heck. Cole. What? Why is Cole like purplish? Okay. Alright, you're about to die! Yeah! Take that, spider! Yeah! You are done! Mr. Spider. Move out of the way, kid. Yeah.
Control, this is Delta. Come in.
I copy Delta loud and clear.
We did it. Look
All
at Cam.
Cedars are neutralized. Moving to Alpha's location now.
Cam, I could chainsaw you.
Stand by for Alpha.
Ah! Oh my god! Oh no! They're gonna break down the door! I see sparkles. And open the door. The door is open. Open sesame. Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Okay. Why are you following me? Ah! No! Oh my god! I fell off the bridge. Oh! Hostiles! Oh, they're breaking it down. They're breaking it down. They're breaking it down. We open it. Throw a grenade in there. Yeah. I hit no one though, so that's fine. Woo! Get outside, run outside. You can't get me from outside, bro. Can't get me. Oh my god! What just happened? Where's the shotgun? There it is. Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna go in there. Come on. Where's the other locust? There he is. Yeah! You dead. You dead meat. You dead meat.
Location
What is
right
Tomb
now.
of the Unknowns?
Go. Delta out.
Am I going to Tomb of the Unknowns? Let's see what's here. Ammo and a revolver. There's a revolver in this game? Okay. We're upgrading. Getting upgraded. Oh wait, oh wait. If I just climb up. Ah! No! Boom. Boom! Yeah! That's right. Boom! He's dead.
Take that.
Give me that. Wait, no, I want to place my answer. No! Actually, yeah. I don't need the hammer Dawn, like, anymore. I. Oh my god, why is he? No, I'm done. I'm running out here instead. I'm running out there. I don't care. I'm reckless. I'm being reckless. Alright, the exit spawn. What is hitting me? Why are you up? What was he doing out there? Oh my god. This game is insane. Whew. Why don't you come down? I think I'm out of breath. Hammer on. Oh wait. Yeah, that makes sense. Hurrah! Stop it!
Don't mind if I do.
No, wait, hammer down. Alright, I'm gonna hammer this guy's Dawn. Lock and load. Alright, you're dead. Oh, you're dead, buddy. You're dead. Alright, kill that guy in the front. Get up! No! Oh my god, he was holding your lancer. Die. Alright, he's dead. Okay. Oh, let's not go in there. Sneak up. Sneaky. Oh! I ran over him. Wait, why do you still have this? I don't need it. I don't need it.
Sweet.
Bro, I didn't even have to kill him. I just bumped into him. Maybe he just died. What are you guys shooting at? Is that Tricka? Yep. Just dodge and weave. Yeah, we're not dodge and weave. Yeah, very good aim. It appears. What's this? Right over here. Oh! Gremlin! Get away! Out of my way! Get out of my way, I say! Oh! Okay, that's a locust. Ah! I need help! Come on! Hey! I know who you are. You're the Triker guy. Yeah, that's right. You're dead. Dead meat. Boom. Pick that up. Kim? Is it Kim? Come on, get out here. Get out! Yeah, Alpha is raiding. We have to get to Alpha. Oh, crap. That's not Alpha. I don't think that's Alpha. Shotgun. I call shotgun. No, I called her shotgun. Doesn't you shoot you? Alright, I got it. I got my weapons. Dom, get out of my way, Dom. Okay, there's 3 locusts. This one. This one. Oh, there's 4 locusts! Ah! Ah! Why can't I take cover? The game is like broken. The game is broken. You are broken. This one. Oh my god, there's so many. Oh my god, there's a shotgunner. Shotgunner. Oh my god, shotgun. Shotgunner. Die, 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 die. Yeah, throw your shotgun at me, idiot. You don't deserve a shotgun, I do. Boom! Yeah, that's right. Alright, come on. Come on. Die of you! Okay. Okay, it's not good. Look how many locusts are on the ground. What the hell was that? Come on, try to kill it. Come on! Where's the striker's crosshair? He sees a crosshair. Die! Boom, you're dead. Boom, you're also dead. Okay, we can't get those guys. I did. Get to Alright. This one in the middle. It's a lucky one. Yeah, turn them into guts. Come on! It's not working. Boom. Why did you throw that, Tim? Come on, get it through the... Yes! I shot him through the car. Wow. Okay, that was crazy.
Copy that. We're at the pickup zone now. We have visual. We're out of here.
I pick my guns out of those things every time.
Guess you're sitting next to Marcus then.
Baby. Yeah.
Is that Baird? I think his name is Baird. I stutter so much because of how awesome this game is. Was Kim just frozen? What is he doing all the way over there? What's going on? Marcus? Marcus? You okay? Marcus? Wake up! You're dreaming, Marcus. Rescue helicopter! Oh no! Locust! They come to take our doubloons! Ah! Whoa! What the heck? Oh no! Oh my god, he's one-handle. He can one-handle Lancer? That's crazy. Oh my god. Everything is destroyed. Kim! It's in the fire! Come on, Kim, you can do this. Kill them, Kim! Kill them! Yeah! Huh? Who is that?
I am pleased with our progress.
Who is that?
I understand they have located the last one. Our strategy remains the
Don't
same.
punch Kim! What is he doing? Don't pick him up! Don't stop him! No! Kim! Oh my god! That big old tall locust just stabbed him! killed Kim. Why did they kill Kim? No! Don't you dare walk away! Kill that guy! Oh my god. Kim is dead now. Oh man, Kim is dead. Hey guys, this is the sellout part of the video. I just want to say thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. I don't know if this is part 2 or part 3. I'll probably post part 4 soon. So yeah, bye-bye. And good luck trying to get to part 4. Yeah.